Hi everyone, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. And I want to address the question that I get asked fairly often, and that is, can I day trade for a living? And the answer is sort of complex, and it's based really on the individual, their personality, the size of their investment account, their risk tolerance. But there's one universal answer to the question of, can I day trade for a living? And so let me reference the entities that day trade profitably almost all the time. Think JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, Virtu, Merrill Lynch, entities like that. These entities virtually always make money trading. Goldman Sachs. I remember a quote by the CEO of Goldman Sachs, Lloyd Blankfein, years ago, when he was asked by a reporter, does he ever lose money in trading? He gave a broad smile and he said, do we ever lose money? We make money trading. We make money. And his smile was from ear to ear, and I'll never forget that. So if you can trade like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, those entities, you can trade for a living. And the reason is they always make money. So the question is, can you always make money trading? Well, the answer, of course, is, well, you can't trade like these entities because you don't have the resources that they do. You don't have the programs, the algorithms, the high-speed computers. You don't know what orders are there instantaneously. I mean, their algorithms, they can execute 1,000 trades a second. Before you click your mouse, they've already done 500 trades. You can't trade like that. None of us can. So back to the question, can I trade for a living? And what I'm saying is the answer is a definite no, unless you can tell the future. So anyone who can tell the future can trade for a living, because in order to make money consistently day to day, when you're making money as a trader, you have to know where the market is going to go in the future. And none of us can do that, except there are ways that some of us use to try to discern the future. And that takes me to today's chart. And you're looking at the micro E-mini. E-mini, of course, is the same. This is the chart. It's about 12:30 p.m. Eastern. And the market started up just about over here at 9:30. Started right over here. The S&P was trading up about 45 points, I think, at the open. And the close of the previous day was down here at 44.55. The market opened at 44.95. Did you know the future? Could you possibly foresee that the gap from yesterday's close was going to close? Not at all. Usually a big gap doesn't close. So can you day trade for a living? Again, if you know the future, you can day trade for a living. And the way I try to know the future is to measure the market. And I use something called a trading zone that's based on a calculation developed by George Taylor 75 years ago. And so, yeah, it's an old calculation. It's an old method. But damn, it works. It works pretty well. In fact, it's the next best thing to having a crystal ball. Now, you don't see the trading zone or my trading zone on this chart because I blocked it out, but let me show it to you. And here's my trading zone for today, April 21st. And this is what I drew on my chart prior to the market open this morning. The market, of course, opened up here, rose to a high of 45.08. And here it is, went down to my trading zone, did close the gap, and it looks like it's bottoming out right at my calculated resistance at 44.45. So knowing the future, and this is as accurate as I can be, it doesn't work every day. It works pretty well every day. It's not 100% every day, but on days that it's not 100%, it's 75%. So still pretty good. So again, if you are interested in knowing if you could day trade for a living, you have to be able to know the future. You can't know the future, but you can know what the future may be and see if prices confirm it. And they did today. So that's my video for today. Can I day trade for a living? Have to be able to know the future. So that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. If you're interested in learning about a trading zone and how you can get it, I make it available as a subscription. Go to my site at timelessdollar.com. You can subscribe. It's a monthly service. In fact, I give you the first week for free. So again, thanks for watching. Trade safely, use a lot of patience, and I'll see you next time around.